Hello everyone. This is test 3, digital SAT, adaptive test in the book. So this module 1, okay? We're gonna do this today. So we try only even numbers, right? That's better. Okay. So we have a function, minus 6x plus 9, pass through these 2 points. So which one is better? This point is on this line, okay? So put this number 5 and k on there. K equals negative 6 times 5 is negative 30 and plus 99. That is 69. Okay, maybe you can try it this way. Or the other way, maybe generally, most of the students, they like to use this one, using the slope. Y2 minus y1, k minus 39 over 5 minus 10 equals negative 6. So k minus 39 equals, this is negative 5, and negative 6. Multiply these two numbers, that's going to be 30. So k equals also 69. Okay, but in this case, this is already on this line. I like this one. Okay, this is number 4. So we have parallel lines and some line transfers. What is the measure of this angle? This is 70. This is 130 is exterior angle. This one should be 130 minus 70 equals 60 degree. And this angle is alternate interior angle. They are equal in measure. Okay, so x is 60 degree. Here is number 6. Easy question, right? When x equals 6, put this number in there. U equals negative 2 times 6 and plus 5. So negative 12 plus 5 is negative 7. So the value b equals 3 times negative 7 and negative 4. So negative 21 minus 4 is negative 25 is this, okay? Here is number 8. Okay, we have an incomplete table. We're gonna fill out, okay? All right, out of 100 students, one of these students is selected random. Here is the questions. What is probability that the student who prefers art over here in these sections? Okay, that is what conditional probability. Okay, this is not sample. At this time, called the sample. This number will be sample space. So we're gonna find this one. So female, this number, right? We're gonna find this one. So this is 35. 35 minus 20, that is 15. That is 45. Okay, so out of 45, how many females? 50. So the probability is 15 out of 45. Okay, 1/3 is the answer. Here is number 10. Triangle R has a base is 8 and height is 6 generally. Area of this one is 8 times 6 and divided by 2. That is 24. But the area of the triangle S is 4 times of the triangle R. Okay? So this area may be 96, 4 times. All right, the height is 12. What is the length this side? 12 times. The base is B and divided by 2 is 96. So you can simplify. 6b equals 96, b equals 16. Okay, that's the length of base. Here is 12. H of x is 5x minus 10, where h of a is 40, hb is 41. That's the point. When x is a, y is 40. When x is b, y is 41. So we're going to find the value of this one, b minus a. How can you set up the equations? Using the slope. y2 minus y1. 41 minus 40 over x2 minus x1. b minus a. That is equals to 5. So this is 1. So 1 over, switch this one, okay? 5 equals b minus a. Choice C is the answer, okay? Here is number 14. So we have function h. This is right. Okay. X minus 3, x plus 5. So another function is transformation. Okay. The result of transformation over here. Shifting to the right 1 unit. So you can replace x with y, x minus 1. That is y. 1 unit to the right. Y, y equals, after you find this one, you can minus 3. Or instead of a y, you can replace with y. Y minus 3, okay? That is y plus 3. But it doesn't matter. So, g of x, replace with this first. X minus 1 minus 4 is x minus 4. X minus 1 plus 5 is what? X plus 4. But minus 3, that is what? 3 unit down. Now put this number x equals 0. G of 0 equals negative 4, positive 4, and minus 3. Negative 16 minus 3 is negative 19 is the answer, okay? Here is number 16. Q in terms of P and W. So 1 over Q equals 1 over W minus 1 over P. But they are all single fractions. So common denominator WP, P minus W. What is Q? Reciprocal. Okay, flip the number. WP over P minus W, okay? Choice is the answer. A product of two positive integers, you can use okay, two numbers A and B. So product AB equals 360. One of the number is what? Second integer 3 times B and minus 6. 6 less than 3 times. Okay? Now let's find the numbers. A equals 3B minus 6. Put this number over here, okay? So 3B times B is 3B squared. 6 times B is 6B equals 36 is minus 236 equals 0. That is a quadratic equation. Simplify, okay? Divided by 3. B squared minus 2B and minus 120 equals 0. Now we need to factor. Two numbers is what? 10 and negative 12, okay? So B minus 12 and B plus 10 equals 0. B is 12 and B is negative 10. Now working. Both what? Positive numbers. So B is 12. What is A? Divide by 12, right? That is 30. You have two numbers over here. Which number is smaller? 12, okay? Choice B is the answer. Here is the number 20. That's the formula, right? X minus 10 inside the number. Maybe you can use the absolute value. That is the 1 over 4. That is equivalent. Or you can make a square both sides. X minus 10 squared equals 1 over 16. From here, you can find okay, x minus 10 equals what? That's the square root plus minus 1 over 4. This is also what? Negative 10 equals positive 4 and negative 1 over 4. That's right, same thing. So you can add 10 both sides. So the value of x is, this is 10 and 1/4. Okay, this is what? 9 and 3/4, right? The smallest solution is what? This is smallest solution, okay? But when you answer this one, you have to express in improper fraction. 39 over 4 or 9.75, okay? I like this one. Number 22. A sample granite density. You know what is the density? Density equals mass or this one value, okay? For cubic meters, we have density this much, 2650 kilograms. Okay. Okay. Cubic have the length this one, 0.6 times 0.6 times 0.6 cube, right? That's the volume. So how can you find this one? Density times volume, right? So this is the volume and density is what? For cubic meters, 260. Okay. Sorry. So 0.6 cube, right? I'm going to use this one. And times 26.5, okay? 572 is this, okay? Here is the number 24. This is you can say that this is a rational function, right? So P is a constant, denominator cannot be zero. If this is there, that is undefined. But there is a vertical asymptote. At x equals negative k, that is vertical asymptote over here. This is the vertical asymptote, which is what? 4, isn't it? X equals 4. So value of k equals negative 4, right? So actually f of x equals p over x minus 4, right? So x equals 4, that's the vertical asymptote. Now we create a new one, g of x. G of x is what? Replace x with x minus 2. Okay, prove here. X minus 2 minus 4, okay? So it looks like p over x minus 6. Okay? They are moved to the right by 2 units. That is a new vertical asymptote over here, okay? The graph will look like this one again, right? So choice D is the answer. Here we go, number 26. So poll result, Jackson 300, Taylor 100, Lee got by 120. But yeah, Jackson is winner, okay? This is a sample, it was 600, okay? So actually, using this one, we're gonna predict for the entire population for 4,800, okay? 8 times, isn't it? 600 times 8, all right? So 300, maybe you can find 300 times 8 is what? 2,400 in this population. But this one is how much? 1040, right? Oh, I'm sorry. 180 times 8 is what? 1440, okay? But the other one was third place. But Jackson is by how many voters? Second, right? You can compare these two. 2,400 minus 440, right? How much difference? 960, okay? Yeah, by 960 vote, Jackson gonna be win, all right? Okay. That's all today. That is module 1. Okay, next class we continue module 2. Okay, thanks for joining the class.